Good afternoon. Can I help you? I hope so. I bought this television here about 3 months ago, but the sound and picture quality are awful. The picture is always flickering and there is a dark line down the left hand side of the screen, and there is an annoying hissing sound in the background. Do you have an outside aerial? Yes, I do. Have you tried adjusting the aerial? Several times. Hmm. I will get our engineers to have a look at it. A friend of mine bought the same model here and had exactly the same problems. I want a refund. I am afraid it is not our policy to give refunds, sir. I want to see the manager.